Hello, I'm Adam Woodworth, and I'm excited to announce a major update to my Milky Way Master Class. This update includes an entirely new editing workflow demonstration covering my latest tools and techniques that I use to create Milky Way images with low noise and seamless, natural-looking blends, as well as many creative editing techniques to really make your images pop. This class begins with the editing workflow demonstration, which covers every step in detail, starting with star stacking and Starry Landscape Stacker on Mac or Sequator on Windows, preparing separate foreground exposure raw files, easily removing hot pixels, focus stacking, exposure blending, and creative edits, including how to really make the Milky Way pop by using curves, dodging and burning, and reducing the size of the stars to bring out the nebulosity of the galactic core. We'll also cover how you can use star stacking with mirror-like reflections, and how you can use star stacking to avoid separate foreground exposures when the scene has a lot of ambient light. The workflow module also includes a demonstration of how I have incorporated Capture One into my editing workflow to easily remove most hot pixels from RAW files without the need for using in-camera long exposure noise reduction. After the workflow module, we would jump into an in-depth module on exposure blending. This comprehensive video series covers 6 different examples of blending separate night, sky, and foreground exposures to create a final result with low noise and sharp focus for the entire scene. We will cover basic blending with the gradient tool before jumping into using the Select and Mask panel to create accurate masks for very realistic blends that don't have seam lines or halos, as well as using selections to control manual blending for a tricky scene with trees blowing in the wind, a bright ambient light scene from a lighthouse, and an example of complex focus stacking using Helicon Focus, a dedicated focus stacking tool. This masterclass will teach you advanced editing and blending techniques for getting dramatic, realistic-looking results. Visit adamwoodworth.com to learn more and to purchase this class.